Is that a brush for Vega? Oh. Where's the scissors? Get the scissors. Show me the scissors you made. Sit, Vega. Good girl. Cut Vega's hair. Oh, good girl, Vega. You made scissors? And what about the clippers that you made? Can you do the clippers? Show me the clippers before the battery dies. Where's the clippers, Zach? Hurry, get the clippers before the battery dies. Give her a trim. Do it.
So on her head with the trimmer.
Her head, trimmer.
Is that what the clippers do? Oh, Vega, you're such a good girl. Oh, Vega. You getting a haircut, Veg? Can you give Vega kisses? Oh.